The best. The best, I mean the best. Guys, RGB lights out there in the world that you guys can get your hands right now. Trust me. Trust me. The best ones. That, like, you know, I'm damn serious about it. The best ones that I want on my setup. The best ones. And those are the ones are right here. The Govee LED strip lights. These lights, the best part of these lights are like, they're too bright. You know, you guys can control them with the A device. You know, any assistant that you guys want. You know, any assistance, voice recognized assistance, you guys can connect it to that. Plus, you guys can control these lights by your phone. So, wow, like you guys can do all kinds of stuff with these lights. It's a Govee app. You guys can control the lights in any way. You know, it's super customizable. These lights, the cheapest lights in the world you can get, plus the best lights you can get right now. I know some people that use these lights and they're really happy for it. They'll be using for a serious minute now, and they're like the best lights you guys can get right now. Controlled by the phone. And like, just look, you guys just change the mood. Have like millions of presets, plus you guys can create your own personal presets. Plus, these guys are, you know, music reactive, so they can react to your voice, the music that you're playing. Like, as you guys can see in the picture, the lady's playing the guitar and the lights are reacting to the music, so they can get synced to that as well. And you can just put them anywhere. It's because they're strip lights, you know, controlled by the phone. You can plug it anywhere, reacting to music, to your voice. You can add DIY modes. You can do all kinds of stuff with these lights. And you can cut them as well, you know, as much as you need. These lights comes in variations from 16 fit to all the way to 64 fit. So whatever you guys want, you guys can actually pick them up. If you guys, you know, willing to, you know, make your setup look RGB gamer style. So make sure to go pick these lights up. Like, I mean, look. Controlling, how cool is that? Just, you know, pulling out your phone, you want to, you know, make some RGB party lights on. You can just, so many, there's like 16 million something presets, plus you can, you know, able to create your own presets for these lights. So how amazing is that, right? So can't make these lights enough, you know, just can't recommend that enough. Great value for the money.